We're back with more shoes for New Balance month 2022. We have the New Balance 990 V3 in the core black. Fire. Can't wait to dive into it. You already know it's Shoot Your Shot Records, Shoot Your Shot TV, New Balance month 2022. Let's take a look at the shoes. In all their glory, the New Balance 990 V3 in that core black with that predominantly black upper. You have the 3M N logo on both sides of the shoe. Then you have that quilted tongue at the top. It says New Balance in red with silver background. And then you have USA in black with silver background. You have more of that breathable mesh on the tongue, taking you down to the toe box, where you have more of that soft breathable mesh material, and more nubuck suede paneling, and more nubuck and suede on the mudguard toe box right here. Taking us to the back of the shoe, you have more of that 3M where it says Made in USA, and when the light hits it, the 3M reflects, fire. And then you have a red NB logo on the back of the heel as well, and you have a New Balance plastic plate on the bottom of the heel. Taking us down to the midsole, it's white mixed with two different colors of gray, and you have that end cap technology. And then taking us to the outsole, that classic 990 V3 outsole with the endurance technology. This shoe's classic. They recently brought these back in their core colorways, gray, black, navy, for the 10-year anniversary. The shoe originally dropped back in 2012, and then they couldn't be found anywhere after like 2015, 2016, because they came out with the New Balance 990 V4, and we're soon to be on the New Balance 990 V6. But this right here was my first New Balance that I ever owned, the black 990 V3, and C picked these up on newbalance.com. They had a restock, so they might still have some sizes, so act fast if you really want to pick up this pair. Don't see it going on sale. I'm glad C was able to pick these up for us to review for you guys. This one right here, sentimental value because it's the first New Balance that I ever picked up. Shout out to Emily Oberg. If you know, you know. Let's go ahead and try on greatness. That was our signature on-foot look. Crep check really quick. Of course, I'm wearing the New Balance 990 V3 in that classic gray colorway, doing the foxtrot laces, the cream joints. And over here at Shoot Your Shot TV, we like to take the shoe and break it down into 3 important categories: comfort, style, and price. And we give it an overall rating at the end. We're gonna jump right into that, starting with comfort. You already know that we champion the 990 V3 over here on this channel, mainly for its comfort. And the comfort is still there 10 years later. You can feel the endurance technology, you can feel the end cap technology. The toe box is just perfect. It's not too narrow, it's not too wide. My foot fits perfectly. This is a size 9.5. I definitely recommend going true to size. Unless you have a wider foot, then you can go up a half size. I'm gonna have to give comfort on these 5 out of 5. Taking us to style, you already know this is one of my favorite New Balance shoes of all time. It might be #1 for me. 990 V3. Doesn't get more classic than that. My favorite part about it is the quilted tongue and all of the 3M accents. I love the style of the shoe. It just goes to show that 10 years later, still stylish, maybe more stylish than it was back then, but still in style. So I'm gonna have to give it a 5 out of 5 as far as style. Bringing us back to price. These retail for $185, $200, depending on where you get them. And I know it's kind of expensive, but the shoe is made in USA. Great quality materials, good craftsmanship, a lot of comfort. You also get a lot of style. You just get that perfect embodiment of the New Balance 990 on your foot. So I'm not really complaining about price because I've seen the resale value on these go anywhere from $220 to $250, maybe even $300 for the gray pair, depending on what size you have. So if you can get them at retail, I highly suggest you do because once they're gone, the demand for them is just gonna go up again. So price $185, not bad for all this classic shoe you're getting. I'm gonna have to give it a 5 out of 5, bringing us to a grand total of 15 out of 15 on the Shoot Your Shot rating system, a perfect score for the 990 V3 in any colorway, damn near. So let us know how you guys feel about the 990 V3 in the comments below. Were you able to pick up a pair? Are you looking forward to any of the collaborations that they're doing with the 990 V3? Did you pick up any of the previous collaborations like the Bodega or the Joe Fresh Goods? Any of those, let us know. We'd love to hear from you guys. Also, let us know how you're enjoying New Balance Month. Is this something that you guys like on our channel? Do you want to see us switch it up? What's your favorite New Balance? Let us know in the comments below. Also, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video as well. It helps boost our channel, get us into the YouTube algorithm, help get our views up and our likes up, all that good stuff. We'd really appreciate it. But that's our episode for today. We do want to say thank you again for joining us. Again, my name is Paul. I'm the host of the show. Shout out to the producer of the show, C-Rock Behind the Lens. Quick shout out to our affiliates, the Game Ball Podcast. Make sure you click the links below. Check out the pod. More episodes on the way. Love the 990 V3. I might have to pick up a pair myself. These are C's, but we reviewed them. Got you guys. Catch you on the next one.